that is DJI throwing a middle finger at me. Like I said in yesterday's video, if you didn't watch it, go watch it, is that the flex cable, the cable that sends data or instructions to the gimbal camera on the drone is stuffed. DJI built the thing knowing that that's going to happen, so they only have the warranty for 6 months. So the warranty is only for 6 months after purchase, but mine broke within 5 months. But now the trick is to get the drone to DJI before they go, no, sorry bro, 6 months. There's another middle finger for you. But what annoys me is that this comes just after Apple's whole apology, admission of guilt, saying that they throttle the battery so that you buy new phones. It's kind of annoying, and I'm sure that DJI didn't do the same thing, but you know, it's just frustrating because the thing cost me 24,000 Rand. That's a shit ton of money. That's like a year's worth of groceries. Would you like some cereal, by the way? Somebody left it here, so I'm eating it. If you watch this video and the cereal belongs to you, thanks. The thing is, in the video that you saw, every time I use this lever joystick, yaw, whatever the fuck it's called, this was supposed to turn the drone like this. But instead of doing that, it was tilting the camera, which made it look really weird. So at first I thought I was maybe in, what's it called? The drone behaves like a model airplane, so I thought it was in that mode, but then I checked and it wasn't, so it just got weirder and weirder and weirder, and eventually I landed the thing, reset, whatever, maybe it was just a little bit of a but it wasn't. So I sent it back up, it was fine, and then all of a sudden it just fucked out again. Now the thing is, with this camera, if you want to move the camera left and right, you can't. The camera is not supposed to move left and right, it's only supposed to go up and down. So you have to turn the whole drone. So if you want to, you can fly it like that, whatever. But before that, in the previous video, go back, watch it right at the end. I put a little video that I took with my phone with this gimbal, got the gimbal cover on, this gimbal just freaks out. Do you hear that sound? That's the gimbal smashing it into itself. When it goes up and down, it's trying to like center itself, but it's not finding the center because the cables up here, don't know if you can see them, the flex cables are apparently stuffed. I spoke to a bunch of dudes on the Drone South Africa Facebook group, and they said it's the cable. Had a look online, it's the cable. It's the fucking cable. Also, the big problem is that this happened at the worst time, because tomorrow, the 3rd of January 2018, I'm supposed to go and start the first day of a 3-week shoot for a movie that's going to the Cannes Film Festival next year. And I'm losing out on that because of DJI. Thanks.